Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to enhance pictures on iPhone. So first go to App Store, then click search. In search bar, search for Romini. Click Romini and download this app. After downloading, click open. And then click allow and click get started. Click continue, click allow full access, and here select your gender. Click enhance your photos and click try this now. Close this window, no thanks, and select your picture that you want to enhance it. So I select this one. Click enhance and wait a moment until finish enhancing your picture. And the grid, click got it, and this is before enhancing and this is after. Before and after. And it's a good quality, you know. Ever I zoom in, look at the difference before and after. Perfect. So after that, click this icon to download your picture. Close this and click one and click save. So save it in gallery. So come back to photos, click photos, and this is your picture. So thank you so much guys for watching me. See you to the next video.